Today we are going to install the new, Turn Offroad, Jeep, JK Squareback 2-piece hardtop. This hardtop fits the Jeep Wrangler JK, 4-door 2007, through 2018 models. Installation time is around 15 to 30 minutes. You'll need 2 friends to help you. With a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools, to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Let's start by removing the factory OEM top, and to do that, begin by removing the front top panels. Turn the sun visor down, and unhook this latch, shown here. Then, turn these 3 top panel levers to the open position, and while on that side of the vehicle, remove the hand twists hardtop bolts, located above the seat headrest. Next, do the same to the other side of the vehicle, unhook the latch, turn the levers, and twist out the hardtop bolt. Now, you can remove the front top panels, and set them aside. Start with the driver's side roof panel first. Then, you can remove the passenger's roof panel. Next, remove the 2 T40 Torx bolts, found on top, shown here. There is one, on each side of the vehicle. Now, you will need to remove these 3 T40 Torx bolts, that run along the bed rail, on each side of the vehicle, as you see here. Next, don't forget to unplug the defroster, wiper, and water hose if equipped, from the C-pillar, as seen here. Now, remove the 3 bolts, from the other side of the vehicle. Next, using a T25 Torx bit, remove the factory latch hooks, as you see here. Then, grab a supplied hook, and reinstall the bolts. Do this, to both sides of the vehicle. Now, grab that extra pair of hands, to help you remove the factory top. Don't forget to open the tailgate, lift the glass, and close the tailgate again to make this a much easier removal process. Next, doing the same thing as you just did to remove the top. Lift the glass before setting the top in place, so it clears the spare tire. Now, it is important that the top sits in the rubber seal correctly, so it doesn't leak, or damage the seals. The contact points should look like this, shown here. Next, install the top 2 T40 bolts. To secure the hardtop in place, make sure the top is aligned, and tighten it down. Now, using a friend's help, grab the targa top, set it up in place, and begin to fit the top in the seals. This is how the targa top should look seated in the rubber seals, no crimping, no crushing. The targa top is held down with 2 latches in front, and 2 in the back. Make sure they are equally tight. Next, adjust the latches, by tightening or loosening the catch hook. When you have adjusted it to where the latch snaps in place, with light to moderate pressure, then, set the jam nut, and you are good to go. Next, reinstall the bedrail hardtop bolts, as you see here. There are backing nut plates already in place, they are adjustable to line up with the hardtop mounting holes. So align the rear location, and thread these bolts in. Now, when installing the front bolts, push inward from the outside, by your own hand or some help, as you tighten the bolt down. This makes a better, and tighter seal for the door. You may have some alignment issues, since not all Jeeps or hardtops are the same, but everything will thread in. Now, finish installing the bolts on both sides of the vehicle, close the tailgate, glass, and doors, making sure everything seals well. Lastly, one last test for that perfect seal. Open the door, and close a bill between the door and top seal. If you can pull it through with slight resistance, then it's a good seal. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Offroad hardtop install. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.